about to fly the drone. Not sure if this is a legal flying area. We'll find out the hard way. Ooh.
Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah.
Maybe try saying those things to it.
Oh, such good technique, Michael. You have fantastic technique. There's no match for a gimbal.
You don't say.
Oh, not so good.
Denied.
That was good.
That's right.
Flip it up.
I'm gonna do it. Oh, there's the end.
Whoa, bold.
Have you named it yet?
Oh, it's flying, look. Woo!
Hiya, Daddy, hiya.
Go, 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 go.
Is this the recommended person?
Yeah.
Wait, really? I wonder if they're like, all right, we have to make an instruction manual. Let's just put in.
Hold on, I think you need to do jumping jacks too.
Right, let's put something in that's totally not necessary.
Move it all about.
We'll put something in that is totally not necessary, but will look ridiculous.
Up treat. Oh. Kristen, you going for it? Is it yours?
Clear the Savannah.
Whose drink is that? Oh, she went for it. Tell us what you think.
There's definitely something in there, but it's at the bottom, so I'm not worried. Walking here, I was like, oh shoot, I don't think they have a lot of vegan stuff.
No, French food is like, no, that's fine. That's why I was just like,
It's off the table pretty much.
yeah.
Does French food, do they do vegan? Do they know?
Not really. They just have like a lot of cheese, and I even asked the guy, and he was like, no, everything has butter in it.
Related subject is if you feel this way about like aunt or unclehood.
Yeah.
What's to say you would or would not feel this way with, like, if we have babies?
Well, that's, I guess, my hope with being an uncle is that because we're related, we're going to be more involved just inherently, that we will not have to worry about that. Sort of like you and dogs.
Where it's just like it happens naturally.
Yeah,
It's like if it is a small puppy,
exactly.
there's an immediate connection.
Mm-hmm. See,
Oh, my glasses are broken, babe. They've got a crack.
oh, it's so sad.
I know.